In the heart of Arcadia, Florida, a legendary force is revolutionizing waste management, Big Dawg Dumpsters. This isn't just any dumpster rental service, it's a titan of trash, an icon of disposal, standing tall above the competition. When the clutter piles high and the debris won't quit, Big Dawg Dumpsters charge in with the ferocity of a blockbuster hero, ready to conquer your cleanup battles with unrivaled prowess. Need a swift and seamless solution? Call the cleanliness champions at 743-244-3294 or venture online to www.bigdawgfl.com. Whether it's a home renovation, a significant construction project, or a thorough spring cleaning, Big Dawg Dumpsters provides the ideal dumpster rental in Arcadia, Florida. Our top-tier dumpsters are sturdy and reliable, delivered and picked up with the precision of a well-executed stunt sequence. Imagine your project transformed into a well-orchestrated action scene, where every piece of rubble and refuse is whisked away effortlessly, leaving only order and accomplishment behind. Big Dawg Dumpsters doesn't just deliver dumpsters, we provide peace of mind, ensuring your worksite remains a pristine stage for productivity. For the ultimate dumpster rental experience, trust the masters of waste management. Join the ranks of satisfied customers who have discovered the true power of Big Dawg Dumpsters, where cleanup becomes an epic saga of success.